Scattergories is a fun 2 to 6 player game where players try to score points by listing words that start with the same letter in a specific category. To start the game, give each player a pile of category cards and a score sheet which has 3 columns on it, one for each round of the game. Choose one category card to start with and have each player put that card on top of their pile face up. Then, roll the 20-sided letter die and start the 3-minute timer. Players then begin filling in their answer sheet with words that fit the chosen category and start with the letter rolled on the die. For example, if the letter on the die is C and the category is places, players could write Chicago, Congo, Charlotte, and so on. The articles a, an, and the do not count towards the letter requirement, and multi-word answers count if the first letter in the first word matches the letter on the die. When using proper names, you are allowed to place the last name first. For example, if the category is historical figures and the letter is W, an answer of Washington, George would be acceptable. Creative answers also count. For example, if the category is sandwiches, then knuckle would be acceptable. Once the timer runs out, players stop writing and take turns reading their list of words. If any players disagree with another player's answer, they can challenge it. And each player votes on whether the answer in question is acceptable or not. If the majority of players vote against it, or if the vote is a tie, the word is rejected. If any players come up with identical answers, every player that wrote that answer down crosses it off of their sheet. Once every player has read their answers, each player circles every answer that isn't crossed out. Players get 1 point for each circled answer. Each player jots down the total number of points for the round at the top of that column. Then, the second round begins. Use the same category card, but reset the timer and roll the die to get a new letter. If you roll the same letter as the previous round, re-roll the die. The player with the most points at the end of 3 rounds is the winner.